Now, in the beginning of my 360 booth journey, I was taking forever doing overlays, and that was not the business. That is not good workflow, especially because time is money when we are entrepreneurs, right? So I started using Canva. I started using the pro version of it, which allows you to do background removal. And on top of that, now I know how to use certain filters that are going to help me create an overlay in less than 5 minutes. Now it's taking me closer to 3 minutes. So that's a huge improvement. I'm going to show you guys how to do that right now. By the way, if you're interested in using Canva and only Canva, not combining different applications to get one overlay, I suggest you guys use Canva, the pro version. Link in the description box below. Enjoy the video. Here we go. My client said it's a wedding and they're going to be using the color forest green. So I typed in green wedding. And then I ended up getting all these templates, and now I have an idea of what to use. Now, for example, like this one right here looks quite nice. I can probably use that because of the forest green and just the leaves and plants. It's a very beautiful look. I like this. This is also very clean, very stylish. And they also want me to include the words Casey and Robert's wedding, 12/30/2022. So I can do that. So just to show you guys how quickly you can get this done, I'll go ahead and click on this here. And then I'm going to customize this template so that it's going to complement the specs I needed as far as dimensions go for my 360 booth, which is a 1080 by 1920. I'm going to go to resize. And now I can actually start just removing some of this text right here. Right? Just like that. And I'll keep this right here. Now I'm going to change it to Casey and Robert's wedding, just like that. And so that looks extremely clean. Like it looks super clean. And now all I have to do is right here on the top, I can go ahead and add the date, or I can set the date right here and get a little creative by adding like a quick little circle here, like a white. If I add a white circle, for example, just like this, right? And I make the background black just so I can see where that circle is at. I'm going to move this right in here. Now what I can do is I can get the same color, right? And I can go to text, right? Small text, change the color to match this greenish right here. And I can put the date, 12/30, like that, 22. And I can take this and put it right in here, just enough to make it fit. Let me go ahead and make it a tad bit smaller and maybe add a cool little effect to it, like a neon effect to it. There you go. Now it has like a nice cool little glow, just like that. I can make this probably a tad bit bigger and then bring it down right here, just like that. Make sure we add that right there. So that's right. Okay, that looks good right there. That's right there. Okay, and now I can go here. I can make this white, and there it is. So I'm done. Now I can go ahead and submit this to the client.